Yeah, so I get it. You are putting in a lot of hard work into creating your videos, so you're not getting subscribers, and you are frustrated that, you know what, why am I putting all this effort and I'm not getting views, I'm not getting subscribers? Guess what? YouTube don't care about you. They don't give a care about how you feel, what you do, the effort you are putting into creating these videos. They don't really care. They don't care about you. You make mistakes? No, they don't care. But guess what YouTube really care about? I wonder why no one told me about this before I got started on the YouTube channel. So you are putting in all your hard work into creating content, but you are still struggling to get views, subscribers, and not making any amount on YouTube. Frustrating, right? Yes, I was there. Here's the harsh truth. YouTube doesn't really care about your content or even care about you. But here is what YouTube does care about. If you nail these factors I'm about to share with you right now, you'll be able to unlock the views, subscribers, and potential life-changing income. Miss any of these factors, you might as well just stop trying on YouTube, because you know what? YouTube will never push your content, no matter how good it is and no matter how hard you try. So stick around, let me walk you through how I was able to follow this exact formula to crack the YouTube algorithm code for subscribers, views, and monetization. So here is what YouTube really care about. YouTube number one priority is keeping people on their platform so that they can keep making money for as long as possible. Now, the more satisfied viewers are with your content, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your videos. It is not just about likes or views, right? It's about how long your viewers watch your videos. This is what we call retention rate, and that is why number one thing that you have to do anytime you are creating your content, you must make sure you focus on viewers satisfaction. And viewer satisfaction is just simply audience retention and engagement. Now this talks about how people are actually engaging with your content and how long you are able to keep them watching. If people click away after 30 seconds, YouTube knows that your content isn't valuable and won't push it. As a result of that, you're going to be penalized by the YouTube algorithm with low or no views at all. The second thing YouTube care about is the fact that YouTube want to see that people are interested enough in your video to click on it whenever it is shown on the YouTube platform. That simply means that your thumbnails and title must be irresistible. So no matter how amazing your video is, if nobody clicks to watch that particular video, YouTube sees it as a flop. They assume that that video is never going to do well because people don't care about the title or the thumbnail that you have. So your CRT, which is your click-through rate, is what tells YouTube that your content is worth showing to a larger audience. That means number two thing you have to be watching for is click-through rate, CRT. Now let's jump on to number three thing that YouTube watch for in order for them to show your content. Now let me tell you something about YouTube. YouTube is like a machine. It rewards creators when we show up consistently, right? This doesn't mean uploading daily or uploading any kind of content that is not of high quality, but you need to have at least a regular schedule, right? Simply means that number three thing that YouTube look for is consistency. Consistency in uploading regularly and strategically. So when YouTube sees that you are consistently bringing content that retains viewers, they will trust you more and promote your content and your channel as well. Remember, consistency builds momentum and keeps your audience coming back. This is not just only for YouTube, but this is also for you, right? You, the content creator, this is definitely for you as well. So point number 4, what YouTube really care about that makes them to push out content and not to care about you or your content, but what they are actually after is called section time. Section time, the ability to keep viewers on YouTube for as long as possible without them going out of the platform. So goal here is to keep viewers watching content for as long as possible, even if the viewers are watching videos from other creators. If your video leads viewers to watch more content, for instance, somebody watch your video and after watching your video, the video is so interesting that he needs to go and watch another one that YouTube recommend to him, right? It's because your video has kept the person on the platform long enough for the person to watch other people's content. That is still keeping the viewer on the YouTube platform. YouTube gets to reward you for that. So YouTube loves that, and they will push your content to higher audience in the search and in the recommendation box so that people can keep watching your content, and also from there they can get to watch your other content or watch other people's content. That is why I say YouTube don't really care about you, because if YouTube care about you, after watching your content, they are going to show other of your videos. Sometimes they don't care about that. What they care about is themselves. So YouTube is going to show people any video that they know they are likely to watch, whether it's yours or somebody else, and you also get rewarded for that. At least the person did not watch your video and just click off YouTube because your video is not that good. So the fifth and final thing YouTube really care about, that makes them to push subscribers, views, and also monetize your channel as soon as possible, is niche clarity. You need to focus on one clear topic when you're starting, especially when you're starting. YouTube favors channels that have a clear and consistent niche. Why are they doing that? Because it makes it easier for the algorithm to understand who to show your content to. It's very simple as possible. If you are jumping between unrelated topics, today you talk about this, next tomorrow you talk about this, YouTube struggles to categorize your channel and your videos won't be pushed as much. So you need to pick a niche, stick with it for as long as possible to achieve success. Then after then, you can now start diversifying into other broader topics. Yes, that is how to play the YouTube game. Now, let me tell you something. Why does these factors matter? Some people will ask, how about video quality? How about this and that? Now, let me tell you something. YouTube is not about rewarding you for creating high video quality. That one is for you. If you like, create video that is 5K or 10 million K. If it does not answer the question of keeping people on the platform, of making sure that they keep watching video and they're highly engaged, YouTube does not care about the quality of your content. YouTube care most about the data. If your video doesn't fit in the metrics they are looking for, it won't be seen that much, right? So you could have had the most edited, the most informative, like I do sometimes. I just create so much value. I'll be like, wow, this is what I learned from a course I took, $5,000. Let me put it on YouTube. I put it out there, it just only got 4-5 views. Sometimes it got just 20 views. I'll be like, wow. YouTube don't care about pushing this kind of content to people, no matter how the quality of the content or the information, as long as it does not answer the quest of, is the data lining up? Is it working with the algorithm? Are people looking for this? And when they are watching it, is it going to keep them on the platform? Yes or no? So with these factors, you will be able to see you have enough and so much success on YouTube. That is how YouTube gets to care. Now, but what happens if you ignore these things? Let me show you something, right? If you are skipping any of this, say, oh, I cannot do all of them, let me just do 1 or 2. See, you are still going to be penalized. That's it. Now, what happens if, for instance, out of these 5 factors that I mentioned, you decide to say, okay, let me go with 2, or let me just do first one and second one, or 2. Let me tell you what will happen. It is a tough reality. Your channel will likely struggle to grow. You can keep creating and creating for as long as possible, but without understanding the YouTube priorities, it's like shouting into an empty space. You just be shouting, creating beautiful content, high quality content. You might just get a few random views here and there, but they will not be sustainable and you're not going to get nothing from YouTube. But now listen, this is the most important moment of this particular video. Knowing what to do does not make you get views or subscribers or even get monetized. As I said, YouTube doesn't care. If you like, know it. If you like, don't know it, YouTube doesn't care. But knowing how to apply what I just showed you is the real game changer. So now, here's how to apply these tips and finally get the results that you deserve for your high quality content that you're putting out every single day on YouTube. If you miss this part, then you miss the entire thing, because this is the most important aspect of what this video is about. First thing to apply this strategy I just mentioned with you now is to optimize your thumbnails and your titles for more clicks. That is the number one secret. Spend time creating thumbnails, titles that grab attention. Focus on curiosity and emotion. You see, YouTube is a place where people get to go and try to find solution to their problem. As you can guess, when you have a problem, it becomes emotional stuff. So you are looking for solution, you are looking for something that really speaks to you. And if your titles and thumbnail can convey that, then you're good to go. You want viewers to think, I have to watch this video right now. No matter what, I have to watch this video. That is what you want viewers to think whenever they see or whenever YouTube shows up your content. Number 2, you have to hook the viewers within the first 15 seconds. Number 2 is this: don't even waste your time with long intros. Get straight into the point and make your viewers want to stick around. That is why number 2 is hook viewers within the first 15 seconds. This will boost your retention rate and signal YouTube that your video is worth watching, so they can start showing it to more other people. Number 3, to make it easy for viewers to bench in and watch your content, curate a playlist that naturally leads them from one video to the next. Keep them on the channel for as long as possible. That is why number 3 is create a playlist to boost your session time, right? When you do this, it will automatically boost your session time. Number 4 is stick to a content schedule. If you are posting twice a week, make sure you post twice a week. Twice a month, post twice a month. Once a week, post once a week. Not only does this train the YouTube algorithm to always favor you whenever you post, but it also builds trust between you and people who are watching. So every time they come around on YouTube, they know that every Monday or Thursday, your videos always around new and fresh videos. They will love that. Finally, this is a deal breaker. Get specific on your content focus. Become known for one thing, whether it's a tech review, cooking tutorials, personal finance tips, YouTube reward, specialization. If you are not specialized, nothing for you. So point number 5, refine your niche. Make sure you refine your niche. This is what I want to talk about, and go and talk about it. Now that you know what YouTube really needs, it's time for you to change your approach, and don't just focus on creating content. Focus on creating content that aligns with this YouTube algorithm goals. If not, you will not get no views, and you will not be monetized, and you will not get subscribers. However, if you really want to hit on the point number 5 about niche, I would recommend you watch this particular video about profitable niche that you can literally focus on right now, so that you can turn your YouTube journey into a multi-million-dollar business. Click here to watch about these niches that are trending, that you can start making money with them on YouTube. See you in the next video.